All right, here's another identity example. And so remember, we can only work with one side at a time when we do this. We're really simplifying. We do a lot of substitution, use our algebra skills to simplify. So in this case, neither one of these two sides is super complicated. We've got sines, cosines, tangents, basic trig functions. So really, we could probably work with either side. I'm going to go ahead and work with the left side just because it's a fraction. So we've got some stuff there we could naturally simplify. So let's go ahead and look at this left side. So let me separate it off. So we've got sine squared theta cosine, and I'll try to model here. You know what I would encourage you to kind of how you would show your work in a process like this. So I'm going to show the side that I'm working with. So this is just this original statement. And now let's work with it. Well, one thing we could do, notice here we have two totally separate terms, where here we have a single term. Let's separate it into two terms by writing each of these expressions on the top over our denominator. So let's just split it in two. So we've got sine squared cosine all over cosine. Of course, those have a theta with them. Plus 2 sine theta over cosine theta. So there's one step. We just broke it into two. Now notice what's going to happen. Well, cosine over cosine is going to cancel out. So we've got sine squared right there. Well, that's good because we want that, right? Plus, now what's sine over cosine? Well, we could also substitute right there. Sine over cosine, that's a quotient identity, and that is tangent. So just like that, I'm done. Again, so these don't have to be long. Some of them are a bit involved, but they don't have to be necessarily. And so there we go. We substituted, separated it into two parts there, then substituted, cleaned it up. Not too bad.